So we got the liners in, and checking protrusion. The hold downs 80 foot-pounds, and you allow 2 to 5 thou, and you check 4 spots. And this one's reading just over 2 thousandths of an inch. So we're looking pretty good. And if you want to balance from number 1 cylinder, number 6. Not too no more variation than a thousandth of an inch. There are shims available, but it looks like it's not required on this job. In the manual, here you go. It's 80 foot-pound torque on the hold downs for the liners, and then we measure protrusion. It's important to have the protrusion for the head gasket to seal, say 2 to 5 thousandths. And they've got, you can use shims if you have to, but luckily we don't have to do that this time around. And then after that's all done, pistons are ready to go. Next step.